Is your Honda's check engine light flashing and you're not sure what to do? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to identify and fix the issue. But before we start, let's understand, what does it mean? A flashing check engine light is a serious warning. It usually means there's an issue with your engine that could damage your car if ignored. But don't panic. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. If the light is flashing while you're driving, find a safe place to stop your car as soon as possible. Turn off the engine and let it rest for a few minutes. Step 2. Next, pop the hood and look for anything unusual. Check for loose connections, damaged hoses, or leaks. Sometimes it's something as simple as a loose gas cap. Tighten it and restart your car to see if the light turns off. Step 3. If the light is still flashing, it's time to take your car to a mechanic because the issue might be more complex. A flashing check engine light often indicates problems like a misfiring engine, faulty spark plugs, or an issue with the catalytic converter. Driving in this condition can cause severe damage to your engine. So, professional help is your best option. By following these steps, you can protect your car and avoid costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.